Good morning, Chef David Rose here, live and direct, as always, from the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And today, we want to go ahead and highlight the Vulcan Rapid Recovery Griddle. And what screams functionality to me when it comes to this griddle are pancakes, flapjacks, thus the lumberjack shirt. I know you guys are paying attention. Keep up. So, what we're making today on the menu is, you ready? We are doing some lemon ricotta pancakes with a blueberry bourbon maple syrup. Go ahead, salivate. I know you want to. So I'm gonna break it down step through step on the Chef Series so you too can make this at home. You ready? Let's do it, guys. So first things first, you want to always measure and mix your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients separately. So to our dry, we're doing all-purpose flour, sugar, because you know you need some sugar in your life, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt, because we're all about balance. Next, we have our whole milk for the wet, couple of eggs, that nice body and texture. What are lemon ricotta pancakes without the ricotta? You're gonna get a nice tang and savory note from that ricotta cheese. Nice creamy note also. Vanilla, because pancakes without vanilla are just cakes. Right in there like so. We have some melted butter, a little bit of lemon zest, and lemon juice. Now what you do next is you whisk the dry and the wet separately to ensure all the ingredients, all the salt, all the sugar, all the leavening agents that you find in the baking powder and the baking soda that will help the pancake rise and get nice and fluffy. You want to ensure it's well incorporated all throughout that. Okay? Dry ingredients. So, you guys still with me? I know you are. Then you whisk together your wet ingredients. You're gonna get that lemon juice, break the eggs up, the ricotta, so you ensure every bite of these lemon ricotta pancakes are delightfully and deliciously all the same. All right. Then once you do that, you wanna make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients to ensure that it's evenly distributed. And from there, slowly, surely, and gradually add your wet to the dry, and you're whisking as you go to make a uniform, smooth, delicious pancake batter. All right? And you can smell it right now. The lemon zest is hitting me. That ricotta is melding in there in the batter, and it's going to be through the roof amazing, guys. I can't wait to eat. Just smelling it right now, just the batter, is giving me anxiety because I'm hungry, and these lemon ricotta pancakes are going to fill me up with tastiness. So I'm gonna let that sit for a while. I'm gonna fire up the Vulcan Rapid Recovery Griddle, and we're gonna get to making some pancakes. Sound good? Stay tuned for the next step, guys.